Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, with the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation data, that is the PCE or the personal consumption expenditure, the markets were a little bit mixed or some quiet. Nevertheless, if we turn to the Australian dollar, the market rebounded clearly off that 60-day simple moving average, seen around 62, 60, 65, and from there is showing potential for a rally as the midway point on the RSI is broken. And therefore, if the MACD can marry up, then I do feel that the topside target is still around 64 cents or even extending towards 65. With the US dollar somewhat flat at 103.90, the euro was also a little bit on the mixed side, even though it has broken the trend, but rebounding and looking back to retest this level. Having snapped out of the 6-day bearish pattern, the market has potential now, I feel, if this RSI can break through the midway point to rally on back towards the region of 108 or even on to 109. But the US PCE data coming out Friday will be the key factor. At the end, while the market is somewhat wavering as it continues to hold underneath the level of 150.80.90. I do feel, though, the market is potentially breaking down given the fact that the RSI is on the verge of possibly breaking the midway point at 50. This could reinstate the downside, but I would like to see the break around 148.60.70 area to support the next target, which is seen at 144. Overall, though, I feel the bearishness is coming back and therefore could see the downturn. Sterling, we're getting closer towards this trend line, seen roughly around 128. Overall, though, as the bulls continue to defend this level, I'm not ruling out one more down test and then possibly a rebound back to 130 to 131. Safe haven demand comes back into play for commodities, with gold rebounding and also the technicals are supporting this move and therefore could see a rally on, and with the call still holding at 3,100 to 3,200. I feel the safe haven demand will continue on as uncertainty still continues out of the US with Trump's tariffs. Wrapping up with oil, the market still remains somewhat bullish after rebounding off the lows around $66, and I'm still looking up towards the region of 70 to 71 and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out the intraday report, and I hope you enjoyed a great start of the day.